In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view other people's calendar in Outlook. By the end, you'll know how to request access and display a colleague's schedule right alongside your own, so you can plan meetings without all the back and forth. Start by opening your browser and heading to outlook.live.com. Sign in if prompted, then switch from mail to the calendar by selecting the calendar icon. Any view works here, work week, or month, so pick the one you're most comfortable with. Once you're looking at your calendar, find the Share option near the top of the page. This opens a sharing panel that lets you connect with other people's calendars and manage what each of you can see. In the sharing panel, type the email address of the person whose calendar you want to view. Use their primary work address if you're in an organization, and let Outlook's suggestions help you pick the correct contact. Double-check the spelling to avoid sending the request to the wrong person. Before you send it, choose the permission level. Selectee can view all details to request full visibility of their events, including titles, locations, and descriptions where allowed. This level is great for coordinators or teammates who need to understand the context of meetings. If you only need to schedule time, know that there are more limited options like seeing when someone is free or busy, but for this walkthrough, we'll stick with can view all details. Always be mindful of privacy and request only what you genuinely need. Next, click Share to send the invitation. Outlook will deliver a request to that person. They may need to accept before you can see anything, so give them a moment to respond. If you don't see an immediate change, that's normal. Access depends on their acceptance and existing organizational policies. Once they accept, their calendar will appear in your calendar list on the left. You can toggle it on and off with the checkbox, and Outlook will layer their events with your own. Change the color to make it easier to distinguish, and use overlay or side-by-side views to compare availability at a glance. If the calendar doesn't show up right away, refresh the page and confirm you're looking at the correct section for people's calendars. That's it. You navigated to Outlook, opened your calendar, sent a share request with the right permission level, and after it's accepted, you can view their calendar from the left panel. This simple setup makes scheduling faster and keeps everyone on the same page.